If you're a busy student or a working professional, every second you save on your computer matters. And in Microsoft Word, keyboard shortcuts can dramatically speed up your workflow. In this video, I'll show you the most useful Word shortcuts that help you write faster, format instantly, and get more done in less time, without touching the mouse. Let's start with the basics that everyone should know. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+X, and Ctrl+V for copy, cut, and paste are classics, but pairing them with Ctrl+Z to undo and Ctrl+Y to redo can instantly fix mistakes or bring back changes without interrupting your flow. These shortcuts alone make writing faster and smoother. Next, for students writing long papers or professionals preparing reports, Ctrl+F opens the navigation pane so you can quickly search for words or jump to headings. And if you need to replace repeated mistakes or update terms across the entire document, Ctrl+H opens the Replace tool, a massive time saver. Formatting shortcuts are where real productivity kicks in. Use Ctrl+B for bold, Ctrl+I for italics, and Ctrl+U for underline. If you need to remove all formatting at once and reset text back to normal, press Ctrl+ spacebar. Perfect when copy-pasting messy text from emails or websites. If you want to select text faster, skip the mouse. Ctrl+A selects everything. Ctrl+Shift selects one word at a time, and Shift+Home or Shift+End selects text to the beginning or end of the line. These shortcuts are great for editing paragraphs or adjusting sentences quickly. For professionals working on structured documents, Alt+Shift+Up/Down arrow lets you move entire paragraphs instantly. This is incredibly helpful for reorganizing reports or rearranging points without dragging anything around manually. Another underrated shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+N, which resets your paragraph to the normal style, perfect when your formatting gets messy. And when you're done with your document, Ctrl+S saves instantly, while F12 opens Save As, so you can save different versions fast. These shortcuts may seem simple, but using them consistently can save hours every week. Whether you're writing essays, reports, proposals, or anything in between, mastering shortcuts helps you work smarter, not harder. If this guide helped you boost your productivity, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech tips and Microsoft Office tutorials. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.